here on the Santa Fe with my buddy. Coming past farm animals. Hello. Past all the farm animals. Coming amongst the trees. The railroad. Going past different areas over here at Adventure City. In this brand new park, driven by my friend, Augustine. Barnstormers, the railroad, the roller coaster coming into the tunnel. Some people call it the Tunnel of Love. My buddy Augustine just calls it the tunnel. Beach Boulevard. A nice looking lake with some koi in it. Look at that good looking train coming around the corner. That is a Bud Hurlbut recreation. See you a little later. Coming in and what? Train is coming to